The study shows that ibrutinib maintenance is feasible. I think the study shows that the toxicities are manageable and in line with what one would expect with ibrutinib. The key, I think, is going to be longer-term follow-up, as well as looking at MRD status in our patients. Our primary objective was to look at efficacy, and the main efficacy is defined by 3-year progression-free survival rates. But one of our exploratory objectives was to actually look at MRD status using an IGH-based PCR methodology. And we expect that MRD will help us get a sense of whether we can deepen response with ibrutinib maintenance, and we hope to show that there's a benefit to ibrutinib maintenance by correlating MRD status with progression-free survival and overall survival. And so if we can show this, I think it will sort of make the argument that ibrutinib maintenance is clinically relevant and ought to be explored further.